guys, I'm back with the Dip Powder Mani. So this is April 2023's Sparkling Co subscription bag. I paid $29.99 a month for a subscription bag, and they have different levels. They did get rid of their lowest tier, which was the itty bitty subscription that I used to have as well, but they do have a referral program, and so you can use my name, Letitia Crate. If you decide to make a purchase, I get a credit and you get a credit. So this month's, or last month's, because it's now May, sub bag was themed around butterflies, and so we're just going to get into this sub bag. I believe the liquid that was an extra in the sub bag, again, I paid for the $29.99 sub bag per month. This was pH prep. I don't use pH prep because I have builder gel on my nails, but I will use it if I do my daughter's nails. And so it came with the appropriate cutouts based on the theme of the bag. Really cute. They always have appropriate cutouts. And I do believe the big butterfly is an actual sticker, along with 4 really pretty dip powder colors. So I'm just trying to get that open. I don't know why. Maybe I should just open it before I start recording, because it'd be taking me forever to open that stuff, because I be trying not to use my nails. So this color was a really pretty shimmer with foil flakes, I do believe, and I can't see the name because I'm doing a voiceover. And so it was a really nice purple color, a light lavender, I think, or magenta. So this one's more of a hot magenta, if that's even a color, I don't know. And this one was light purple. One was an actual temp changer, and then the other was a glitter as well. So I think it was 2 glitters and 2 solid colors, and this one was a temp changer. And of course, with the sub bag, it comes with the appropriate swatch sticks, so really helpful that you don't have to swatch your the dip powders in the sub bag. And so I like to put the swatch sticks against my skin tone. That's just me. And I felt like the first 2 colors up top went together and the last 2 at the bottom went together. That was just how I felt. And so I decided to do a mani with the first 2 colors. And so y'all just hang out with me while I do this application. So I'm just going to go in and do my normal dip application. I'm using this little dip tray from 𝑗3D Designs, which is a shop on the actual shop app. And y'all, I had spilled that doggone powder everywhere when I tried to put it back into the jar. I think the concept was good, and it could be user error when I tried to pour it back in, but I had dip powder everywhere. And so I might try it one more time, but I didn't mind spilling the dip powder, because there's no way on earth I can use all that dip powder just doing my own nails unless I use that color multiple times. And so I'm just going in per my normal method, cleaning up the cuticle area with my little cuticle cleanup tool. First layer I poured over, second you can lay flat. You can do whatever method you want to apply your dip powder. Now with this one, as I do the application, you will see the color change on that purple. Like my free edge of my nail turns into a darker purple, and then the base of the nail stays a light purple or pink color, whatever your eyes see. And so here I'm going in with the color, I think that's it, Social Butterfly. It has foil flakes in there. It has green, purple, really pretty foil flakes. And again, I've said this in other videos, anytime you're using a foil dip powder, you want to kind of shake the container with the dip powder. It's just easier to pour it in a disposable tray of some type to get those foil pieces on there. You want to shake it to bring the foil pieces to the top of the dip powder so that you can get good coverage on your nails. So you can see I got good coverage here. You don't have to go in with the second coat if you like what you have on your nail, but here I do go in with the second coat, and you can already see the color change on my thumb nail with the other color that I used. So after I apply 2 coats of dip powder to all nails, I'm going to go in with my pipette and Sparkling Clothes Clear dip powder to encapsulate my nails because I don't want to mess up that foil during filing and buffing. And so I go in and apply a layer of clear, and then I remove excess clear. And here I'm using regular dip liquid, so I am wearing my respirator because I will develop dip flu if I do not, because those regular dip liquids, and lately regular dip liquids have just been, any ones I use, they burn my eyes like crazy. And so I think I'm gonna have to strictly use either odorless or sensitive dip liquids. I'm too scared to try the gel method with the dip. It's just something about it doesn't sit right, but maybe I'll try it one day. But anyway, I digress. And so after I get all nails encapsulated, I'm gonna go in with a nail brush, not a nail brush, it's a toothbrush, a medium bristle toothbrush, to remove excess dip powder. And then I'm gonna go in and activate and wait about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, give that activator time to harden the dip powder, and then I will do my filing and buffing off camera. So after I do my filing and buffing, which I've done off camera, I'm going in with Young Nails Ultimate Finish Gel. I can't stand the smell of it, but I have it, so I'm going to use it. So I'm just applying a nice coat to all nails, and then I will cure my nails for a full 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And I messed up because I should have left well enough alone at this point. I should have left well enough alone, but I wanted to incorporate butterflies in this mani because that was the sub bag theme. So y'all gonna see in a minute. So after get my nails cured, I'm going in with a butterfly that I got from Daily Charm just to add some embellishment to my ring finger. So I'm going in with some McCart rhinestone glue because I also overfouled my ring finger. So it was like a little light colored area there, and I was like, we got to cover that up. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna place the butterfly and some floral gems on the nail, and I was like, I put this too far over. So I ended up brushing that on the entire nail and then following that with some top coat and placing the rhinestones or the butterfly and everything else on my nail. So I end up applying the butterfly and along with purple, pastel purple and pastel pink floral gems and pink rhinestones. But I should have just went probably with the flowers, and then I didn't put it in on the nail the way that I wanted. It was kind of off the pattern. It is what it is. And then after I cure, I go on with a dot of nail glue and place that in the middle of the flowers in order to place caviar beads. And so I'm just doing that. So just hang out with me while I do what I do. After I get those placed where I want, what I think I want them to be, the patterns off just a little bit, I go ahead and do a full 60-second cure in my LED lamp, and I apply my favorite cuticle oil. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It's free in 2023. Why not? And so I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.